Hello everyone at welcome po muli dito sa Kusina Sarangani, #It's the best. Alam nyo, I love food na maraming textures, no? Be it crispy, crunchy, soft and chewy. Kasi ang ganda ng play sa bibig, no? Very interesting at masarap kumagat-kagat. Lalo na pag ito yung breakfast nyo. Ang gagawin natin is an all-time Filipino favorite breakfast. Ito yung tinapsilog at gagamit tayo ng Sarangani Bay smoked milkfish. Okay, ang first step natin, ginawa natin ay yung finlake natin yung ating Sarangani Bay smoked milkfish, no? So, tinanggalan natin ng balat. And what we're going to do is deep fry this by heating a little bit of oil dito sa ating pan and then ipa-fry natin siya. So, we're going to fry this until crispy, no? Gaya nga ng sabi ko, people love, different textures in their mouth pagdating sa pagkain, ano? And this is actually something different that we will serve for breakfast. Usually kasi buong tinapang bangus, ipa-fry lang natin, and then this is served now with our favorite garlic rice na may egg. Be it itlog maalat, or sunny side up egg. Alam niyo, what makes Sarangani Bay different from other bangus brands is this bangus talagang hinuli siya at pinrocess siya the same day because Sarangani Bay bangus has their own fish farm. Kaya same day processing, same day ang catching, and same day din ang freezing. So pag medyo crispy na siya, no? Magla-light brown yung ating fish and you'll be able to notice that pag nagiging toasty na and brown yung ating fish. But it requires a little bit more cooking para maging crispy siya. Okay, so makikita nyo, it's turning light brown and looks very crisp already. At this point, haalisin na natin siya or di-drain natin siya from the oil. Okay. Ayan. This is how it's going to look like. And then we're going to set it in another bowl. Okay? So, alam nyo, ang Sarangani Bay bangus, especially itong ating tinapa or yung smoked fish natin, is twice cooked, no? So, it's a cooked product in itself. But, we made it something different today. Ginawa natin very crispy. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Makikita nyo, naging light and crisp, no? Pati yung color niya, light brown din. So this is what we want to achieve. Okay, ang next step natin ay yung fried rice. So what we're going to do is heat up a little bit of oil. We have a little bit of garlic, okay? Huwag natin masyadong i-brown yung garlic, ha? We just want a little bit of, aroma, no? And, lagay natin yung ating cold rice. Importante na cold rice yung gamitin natin. So, this is about 2 cups of cold rice. Okay? Pwede rin natin basain ng konti yung ating rice. And we want to give it a little bit of color by adding either soy sauce or pwedeng seasoning. So, a little bit of soy sauce just to add color. And a little bit of salt. Yan. And then just mix it very, very well. Make sure that your rice is really cold kasi pag bagong saing siya, magi-stick together masyado yung inyong fried rice. Hindi siya buhaghag, no? Some of my friends, sabi nga nila, ang ginagawa nila, yung kanin lamig, pag masyadong malagkit, nire-rinse nila ng konting water para magkaroon ng para medyo mag-loosen up yung grains. So, turn off natin yung heat. And we're ready to plate. Okay, so we have our plate ready. And ilalagay lang natin yung ating fried rice. Make an indentation towards the center of your rice. Next is our tinapa flakes natin, ano? And then I have a sunny side up egg right here towards the center. And then ito yung ating prepared, meron tayong atsara and then tomatoes. What we're going to do is just put this around. This meal actually can be shared by two people, no? Ayan, lagay lang natin around just to give it a very nice presentation. Ayan. It's actually a complete meal. So you have your carbohydrate, you have your protein, and then you have, you know, your vitamins in form vitamin C, no? To start your day in the form of our tomatoes. Yeah. And then, ito yung ating atsara. Ilalagay lang natin dito towards sa side. For more recipes, kitchen tips, and cooking tips, bisitahin nyo kami sa Kusina Sarangani sa Facebook at Instagram. #is the best.